Welcome back, my DIY nomads. We're back. We're going to crack on with Jules and Josie's Ford Transit. Right, what we're going to do today is we are going to, Jules has power washed the whole floor, so it's looking much better. We're going to go see if we can find any further rust spots, spray paint them, glue down the battens for the floor. Now, with the gluing down the battens, I've done it with every van. I prefer it personally. Now, you can just put down the whole Celotex. Celotex is the brand name, but the real name is, bear with me, I literally have to look it up, polyisocyanurate. Polyisocyanurate. I always forget it because screw trying to learn that name. Greg, I don't know how you say it every single time. Yeah, I prefer having like the wood battens because it gives, you can put floor straight on top of that board and it should be fine, but I just think that the weight is spread out much better when there are like battens underneath. So we've got some roof battens because they're resistant to mold and everything like that. And yeah, we're going to glue those down. We're going to fit a roof rack on top. So there's going to be quite a few jobs done today, which is going to be really exciting. Now I had this tip to sort of rivet them from one of you guys, one of you subscribers, and I completely forgot who it is, but if you're watching, thank you so much, because this is a really, really easy, good technique, and using a little bit of like a sealant as well around it just ensures there's definitely no way that any water or rust is going to get in or, you know, build up. So, cracking job. So the roof rack is now on, and in the back we've got the sort of roof, we've got the floor battens laid out. Jules is now using some super duper adhesive to stick these puppies down. So we're going to go down the whole length, putting the adhesive on, then just flip them over, stick them down, and put some weight on them so that they bond close, so that they bond as tight to the metal as possible. Tell you what though, pretty impressed with this roof rack. This is also from Vanguard. Seems to be a really popular make, but it's a cool design. But apart from that, I mean, it seems to work. This is a second hand. Jules managed to pick this up for 180 quid, which is an absolute win. So we whack the ply back in because the battens themselves need weighing down, and if we have the ply in there we can just put a bunch of heavy stuff in there and it will compress it evenly. Also it's a twofold thing because Jules needs to move out of his current flat and they need to use this tomorrow morning, so hopefully the glue will be fine and dry by then. We're back, it's another day, and we are now putting in the Celotex Kingspan thermal Celotex weatherboard. And over here, Jules is getting it all cut up and ready. That's such a disgusting sound. So to get this complex edge, we used the original ply floor, just laid it on top as a really easy stencil template, and then we just accounted for the battens on the floor, which we've cut out, and hopefully
a little wide.
That's fine, better to be wide than too narrow. So plies back in, we've got all the insulation under the floor, and now we're ready to sort of do the actual flooring, get some actual, like, I don't know what you want, Jules, whether it's lino or whatever it is, but it's gonna be badass.